guys, hope y'all are doing well this morning. Today in our devotional for February 17th, it says charity begins at home. Proverbs chapter 19 verse 17 says, "Whoever is kind to the poor lends to the Lord, and he will reward them for what they have done." Isaiah chapter 58 verse 7 and 8, "Share your food with the hungry and give shelter to the homeless. Give clothes to those who need them, and do not hide from your relatives who need your help. Then your salvation will come like the dawn, and your wounds will quickly heal. Your godliness will lead you forward, and the glory of the Lord will protect you from behind." Luke chapter 12 verse 33, "Sell your possessions and give to the poor. Provide purses for yourself that will not wear out, and treasure in heaven that will never fail, where no thief comes near and no moth destroys." Luke chapter 14 verse 13 and 14, "When you give a feast, invite the poor, the maimed, the lame, the blind, and you will be blessed, because they cannot repay you, for you shall be repaid at the resurrection of the just." Matthew 26 verse 11, "You will always have the poor among you, but you will not always have me." And at the bottom it says, "Poverty and hardship will stay with us until the second coming." That's why you have to choose what charity looks like to you. When you give in abundance, remember that everything you have actually belongs to God. You are blessed and often receive much more than you can give. Give what you have, even if it may seem like a little. In God's hands, your little becomes a lot, just like the little boy's 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. But that was our devotional for today, February 17th already. Seems like the days are just flying by. But I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server on links in the description. As always, if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.